Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, as you know, that CX-7 that we got from an auction, we're going to show you guys where the fuel pump is located on Mazda CX-7. We did engine replacement, many other videos, interior videos. Check them out guys. If you have one of those, please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We will also have a video about the fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse. So if you have a problem with the fuel pump, you know how to diagnose it, so check it out. It should be on the channel very soon. So the fuel pump guys is located under the rear seat of the car. In order to remove it, okay, get a big screwdriver, and there is two clips, okay, we pry this one up, and there is one on this side. Sometimes those will be really tight, believe me. Okay, this one came out. Now lift the seat up and pull it out, and we can get it out of the car actually now. Well, just leave it there, not to be in the way, but if you're doing a pump replacement, get it out, not to get gas on it. Okay, you have two spots now. I think one is, this one is not the fuel pump. This one right here is the fuel pump on the driver's side. Okay, and you need to get a fuel screwdriver. You need to remove 3 screws so you can get to the lid. Okay, like that there. Just 2 more to go. And we'll show you how to get to it. The removal is pretty simple. Just you have to be don't do that in the shop because the gas is there, you know, you don't want to smell like gas too much. You can pull the lid now, okay, and those are the wires that you can disconnect. Press down and pull. Those are the wires for the pump, and that's where the fuel pump is located guys. That's the line here. We're not going to remove it, and there is 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6, 7, 8 screws. 8 screws with a fuel screwdriver that you remove, and that's the pump right here, and you just pull it up. So that's where it's located. Removal and replacement, it's pretty simple once you know where it is. So when you're done, you just make sure that you plug the wires, otherwise the car will not start. Get this thing tight, and this will be the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.